Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 1 question number 16. In an undirected connected planar graph G, there are 8 vertices and 5 faces. The number of edges in G is dash. So here faces means region. Number of vertices given as 8 and number of region given as 5, and it is asking number of edges. During the lecture I discussed Euler's theorem. According to Euler's theorem, vertices plus region equals to number of edges plus 2. So B plus R equals to A plus 2. This is the Euler's theorem. Now here in place of R we can write the number of faces. So B given is 8, F given is 5. So 8 plus 5 equals to E plus 2. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. 13 minus 2 equals to 11. So number of edges equals to 11. It is simple. If you know this Euler formula, you can easily solve this question. I already discussed planar graph during graph theory lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.